In this video I will make a short presentation of the cPanel account, so you know the different tools that are out here and that you can use. So this is the main screen. Okay, here you have the special offers. On this tab you have the different offers that HostGator has with their different partners. For example, for the storage, Bing ads, get started with WordPress today, cloud backup, and so on with SEO. Here you have some quick links to HostGator, to the billing system, to the domain management. In case you have a domain bought through them, you can see the expiration date and other details with the link. You can add different add-ons to the account and so on. Here in the preference tab you have some tutorials of how to start and use the cPanel to update the contact details. Down here you have the mail option. Here you can if you want, you can create email accounts for the domains. You can create an email account like this. Hit the email account and you put here, I have a domain name only here. You put, for example, office, the password. Let's see. Okay, the password has to be stronger. You hit the create. Now you have an email address for the account with a code of 500 megabytes. Okay, we go back. If you want to check the email, you can hit the webmail. And go to secure webmail login and input the email address and the password, and you can check your emails. Let's go back. Okay, and in this tab you have different stuff that you can do with the emails, like forwarders, if you want to set autoresponders and so on. In this section are the files when you can create backups to the site. You can administer the files. For example, if you hit the file manager, you will go here. Here it's your home on the site, and for example all the site, it will be here in public HTML. Right now we don't have WordPress installed, we only have this stuff. So if you want to create a different site other than WordPress, you need to copy the files into the public HTML section. Okay, let's go back. You see that this space uses here. You can create different FTP accounts and so on. You have the logs section. Here you have how much bandwidth you have consumed. Webalizer to see the visitors and so on. The security tab, Here you can put password to different directories and so on. Domains section. If you want to add a subdomain, you go here and just add the subdomain. You put the subdomain, for example, let's say main1. It will create a folder and you hit create and it will create it. If you want to add another domain, this is an unlimited account, so I can add as many domains as I want. You put the domain here. Let's say, for example, I want .com. It will create a subdirectory. I will put a password again, and I'll add a domain, and that's it. Then I will have the domain in this account. Of course, I will need to add the DNS to the domain to be linked to this HostGator account. You can add redirects. You have the another functionalities here. To create a database, you can create it from here with MySQL database wizard, here with MySQL. To access it, PHP myadmin, sorry. This tab is to where you see the different other scripts that you can use it here. In the advanced, you have other tools that will help you. For example, you have Cloudflare, the free CDN that I will show you how you can configure it later. In the left side, you have different stats for on the domains. For example, you have also the visitors. You have the space, the number of files. Here we have other details like the other domains, subdomains, you have park and so on. The memory uses, CPU, graph, email accounts, SQL databases, and so on. In couple of minutes, this was the cPanel presentation. I hope it will help you understand more about cPanel.